Good morning guys, I am a lovely little hamlet here in Spain and I've got orange trees and blossom trees all to the front of me. So I'm going into this property here so you can see it's beautiful here, and this is a very quirky traditional Spanish property. So let's go inside. I'm quite excited to show you this one. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful butterflies on the walls there. This is quite a substantial property. That's the front of it. All the details, of course, will be in the inbox below, the size of the plot and everything you need to know. But I'm going to take you around the back. You can see there's a garage and there's plenty here. But I want to take you through the property first, and we'll have a look around there. Look at those amazing views over there, the mountainside. Stunning. Now just here, as I go in, just before I go in, there is a little outside kitchen. Small little kitchen with a fridge and a sink there. Really quite nice, and top units and a boiler. I love these old Spanish doors. They're really strong, solid doors. Now you have a little outhouse there. I don't want to touch that door in case it comes off my hand or something, but you got a lovely little seating area just there. I'm going to take you inside. You have a nice area here to sit out, and it's all lined with an insect blind, so you know the flies don't bother you in the summer. I'll have a look over there in later. So just let's go through. We're going in through the kitchen instead of through the front of the house. So I'm just going inside, and I close the reha here. The reha, of course, has insect screen on it, looking over those beautiful views up there. So just in here you have this really beautiful kitchen. Vaulted ceilings, look at that, and you've got ceiling lights and fan. You've got integrated, it's not so much integrated, it's a large oven and hob there, and you have your hood extractor, plenty of top and base units, and your sink and drainer. You've got that lovely traditional Spanish window there with the shutters. And as I pan around, you can see, I have to move my camera a bit just so you can see up at the top there. You've got two ceiling lights and fans here, and it's really lovely. I'm going to pan around and come over this side. Alright, so you got your Spanish door there, traditional Spanish door. You got these lovely mosaic tiles, and this must have been a bread oven at one time. Just there, it looks like a chimney. So you got your glass door there, and going in here, this has another vaulted ceiling. You've got double aspect windows here with shutters on the windows as well. Really quite a large room with lovely Spanish tiles on. I'm just going to pan around again, and you have that log burner fire down this end as well. Very traditional Spanish property, and I do love these quirky properties. There is a room up there which I will go up in a moment. But just through here, I can't avoid the mirror, I'm afraid. You have this lovely, I just bring this down, you've got this sink and vanity unit all done out, and the baskets to put all your bits and pieces in, and you've got your WC, and of course if I pan round, you've got your shower just there. And it's lovely in here. It's really very traditional. And you got your socket there for your shaving socket or whatever you need. So let me take you upstairs. There is a room here. So I'm going to see you at the top of these steps here, and we'll have a look up there. So I've just come into the bedroom upstairs, and you have windows on both sides of the room, dual aspect. right? And they have shutters, or at least one of them has. No, they both have shutters on them. Lovely shutters on these windows. And the view from the bed here is really lovely. I'm just going to sit on the bed and look out this window. Look at the views out there. Can you see that? Absolutely stunning. So I'm going to take you downstairs now. And this is a good sized double bedroom as well. It's got laminate flooring down there, traditional doors, and it's really very nice. So, just take you down these steps and I'll see you at the end. So I'm back down the steps now, and I'm going to go through these beautiful doors, a stained glass window above, and into a kind of a dining area here. This is really lovely. Again, very traditional. Now this would normally be the hallway because the front door is directly in front of me. So just here to my right, we have a bedroom. And I'm just going to pan around for a minute to let you see. And you have wreckers on the windows there as well. Really beautiful. And these beautiful ceilings as well, vaulted ceilings. It's really pure traditional Spanish home, this. Now just in the hallway, even though they have a dining table, you have a chandelier up there above. Okay. So you've got this traditional Spanish door. You open this up here, and if I stand back, you will see that you can have the door open, but it's still closed. There's just a section of window that's open. You have insect screens there, and the wreckers is still closed. But those lovely fresh country breezes are coming through. Absolutely smashing. I've showed you that beautiful Spanish door. We'll go into the next room, which is a bedroom. So this is a 3-bedroomed property. It's really beautiful. And you've got your vaulted ceilings, your ceiling light and fan in here as well. And the walls in here are quite thick, so it just keeps the houses nice and cool in the summer and nice and warm in the winter. Really lovely. I'm going to turn back around again. We'll go through this door. So you've got a little corridor here, and these leads off to this absolutely huge bathroom. They have got the washing machine in here. You've got a sink and vanity unit inset into a marble setting there. Really nice. You have your WC and you have your bath and shower. Okay, now this is an absolutely huge room. Really lovely. Just showing you the traditional Spanish tiles, and they've been kept pristine, nice and shiny as well. So I'm going to show you outside the property now. So as you can see, we're going back through this beautiful kitchen and this lovely home. And I'm going to take you out into the garden and see some amazing views out here. I know we have some lovely views in Camposol, but these are absolutely stunning, with loads of little Spanish traditional homes up in the mountains there. So I'm just going to take you around. So just here you have a nice area to sit, and there's a lovely area there with a bistro table and chairs. Just walk down here into the garden. You've got a nice little terrace area here with the umbrella. So when it's really hot, you can just put the umbrella up. Now, if I take you around, you have got a lovely wall here, very decorative, and you can see through there. If you can see the mountains over there, really beautiful. Now these are the views from the garden here. Absolutely stunning. Okay, absolutely stunning. And there are a few properties in and around, like a little hamlet here, you know, and there's a few people. I did notice there's a French lady next door, but she speaks perfectly good English as well. It's absolutely stunning. I can't get over the views over here, guys. I really can't. So just here, seems like they've been building a shed or something. And this is another part of the garden. And this goes on up through here. Okay. Now I'm going to walk back up through the garden. A lovely little seating area there as well. You've got a little shed there. So beautiful pot plants and everything around here. And you've got a little, if you can see that over there, you've got a little bird bath there as well for the birdies. I better take you over to the garage because you know all you men like to see the size of the garage for storage. So there you are. And there is a door there. I'll go in and have a look. I'll open it up. So there is another little room here, and there's quite a lot of storage in there. I thought I'd get a better view of the room. That's a bit better, isn't it, guys? So there's a little storage room off the garage. Got these lovely old roof ceilings here as well. Hi guys, first of all, if you hear something going around in the sky, that's the planes. I don't know what they're doing up there, but today we're out in the Spanish countryside and I've got this beautiful Spanish little finca that I've just shown you all around. Hope you like it as much as I enjoyed videoing this beautiful home. It's very traditional and very quirky. It sits on 2.5 square metre plot and only about 10-15 minutes from the village of Pinilla, where there is the shops and a bar and a beautiful church. So I hope if you're interested in this property and it's your kind of thing, do contact Dawn. info@terrace.com. I will put everything in the description below. Okay guys, so see you soon and take care. Don't forget, please share this video so someone out there this might be just their dream home. Okay, take care, see you again.